I took a trip to Micro Center the other day because I'm building a new PC. There's always so many shiny, expensive, tempting things to buy at Micro Center, but I didn't have to salivate over GPUs that day. I already have one. I have partnered with NVIDIA and they are sending me one of their new RTX 4060 Ti's. It's of course not here yet, so I had to improvise. I picked up this sweet PNY GeForce RTX 4060 VERTO to use in the meantime. So let's build a machine with it. And if you're impressed with this card by the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how you can win one. Thank you to NVIDIA for sponsoring this video and making this whole experience possible. The GeForce RTX 4060 and 4060 Ti are powered by the ultra-efficient NVIDIA Ada Lovelace architecture, making it a substantial upgrade over previous generations for both gaming and content creation. DLSS 3, reflex latency reduction, AV1 encoding, and RTX are just a few of the amazing features that you'll be getting out of one of these amazing cards. Thanks again, NVIDIA. Let's start this build off with the main components. I wanted to showcase all the latest and greatest components for content creation and gaming with this build, so we ended up going with the Intel i7 13700K CPU, the Asus Prime Z790P motherboard to go with it, as well as 32 gigabytes of G.Skill Ripjaws DDR5 RAM, and the crucial P3 Plus 1 terabyte NVMe drive to go with it. We're gonna put all of these pieces together before anything goes in the case. And don't worry, of course, all of the Amazon affiliate links are down below if you want to take a look at the parts, as well as I included the full PC part picker list. Now let's put it all together. I've been wanting to build in a HYTE case since they were released, so I picked up the HYTE Y40 and I couldn't be more excited. This case is designed to be cool from top to bottom. No thumb screws on this case, makes it so easy to build in. I picked up the PowerSpec 750 BSM semi-modular PSU to power this whole machine. Once the motherboard and all the other components are fully in, we've attached the Deepcool LT720 360mm CPU cooler, added in a couple of extra Deepcool fans to help with the airflow, and last but definitely not least, the PNY GeForce RTX 4060 VERTO card. This card combines a super compact design, dual fans that deliver excellent heat dissipation while maximizing airflow in this case. Now, I'm not much of a benchmarker, but I did have to see how a couple of games ran on this machine. So let's take a look at the Cyberpunk benchmark here really quick. We hit almost 60 FPS average while setting everything at ultra highest settings. Through running this benchmark and a couple of other benchmarking softwares, I couldn't get this GPU to go over 70 degrees. It is running super cool in this case while performing really well. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. We're giving away not one, but two of these PNY GeForce RTX 4060 VERTO cards. To enter the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, give this video a like, and comment down below what is the first game that you would play with this brand new 4060 GPU. And hit the Gleam link down in the description below. That link will give you a whole slew of other options to enter this contest. We'll be drawing the two winners of these GPUs live on stream on Saturday, September 9th. So you have just over a week from when this video is published to enter the contest. The giveaway is open to more countries than just the United States, but please check that list down below. It is also in the description. I hope you enjoyed this build as much as I did. Please don't forget to enter the contest, and we'll see you in the stream on Saturday.